Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Look what I got today. Glamerliz. So, Veronica a few months ago sent me a red iguana hand, which I love. She's just so pretty. She's so nice. And I've seen several on Amazon that I feel like are exactly the same. The only thing I don't like about this hand is the wells. I can't find nails to fit this. And you see how big they are? It's like they don't really hold anything very well. Like it's too loose. The skin is so loose here. She is a beautiful, but the skin is a little loose around the cuticles. And you know, I need to clean her. I've been using a Veronica a lot here lately. This is Freaky Fran, as you know. Her nails are better. I really like these nail beds better. It looks like real skin, and it feels like, so it's not like super loose. It's pretty tight. And nails, I have no problem finding tips that fit this one. And she's nice if you can lay her over something, but I can't find anything strong enough to like hold her because she's so heavy. The clamp doesn't fit right. I had ordered this, and then like a couple days later I got Veronica. Veronica sent me Veronica. So I ordered the Glamerliz. This was back in the end of August, I'm going to say. And I just got her today. I knew it was going to be a long wait. Or maybe it was the 1st of September. Anyway, I knew it was going to be a long wait because she hand makes them and hand paints them. And I wanted one painted. Freaky Fran is not painted. It's just a finger. But I wanted a painted hand. Yes, they are pricey. I only got 4 fingers. I think it was, I'm going to say like 140 bucks for 4 fingers, just a half a hand. But I wanted to do an unboxing because I never really do this. So let's do a full-on unboxing. And we'd have a moment here. Really pretty. Got it in some tissue. Handmade with love. Then you pull back. Oh, look. Already personalized with a card. Thank you for your support. Oh my gosh, and stuff are coming flying out. Oh, so it gives you the instructions. Non-gluing method, gluing method, how to soak it off. I think my hand is posable. Oh, it is. Oh, it is posable. I couldn't remember. So it tells all about it. About the clamp and everything. And then, so sweet. You ordered 2 practice finger sets with your hand. I wasn't sure if that was a mistake or if you had an old finger. I did. So, to take care of that, you get a new finger for the nails and some of the nails for your old fingers. My middle finger. Thank you so much for your support. I can use it. So I decided to give you the opportunity to be the first person to receive one of the new model half hands. I sure hope that's okay. She's really so much prettier than my own hands. Anyway, thank you so much, Liz. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I saw her new hands and they were so nice. I mean, I think her hands are pretty anyway, right? Okay, so let's before we get on here. Here's what was slipped in the inside the envelope. Look at these foils, so pretty. Ooh, I love that. Oh, and look at this one. This was so Christmassy. Oh, I love foils anyway. That is so pretty. Oh, cute. Those look like the little gemstones. Oh, those are pretty. More little gemstone stickers. Look at all the nice new stuff. Oh my gosh. More of the little stickers. Some butterfly decals. I think those are what I had some of those before. Stripes. I suck at doing striping, but this will make it so easy. What else we got here? I'm not sure what that is. Oh, I got some long practice nails, some super long ones. And then a sample of thumb index, middle and ring and pinky. See, and these sizes I think are like really close to mine. They're a little longer. Oh, some pretty glitter mix. Oh, it's got snowflakes. Oh, I love it. A winter mix. Some more big old practice tips. A file, a 100, 180. Oh my gosh. Oh, cool. A unicorn pen with the you can use it on screens. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Practice fingered nails, little package. How cute. More practice fingertips. And she does have right now, today is Black Friday. I'm going to try to get this up today. Black Friday, she has like a 50% off sale. Like if you don't get your, I don't remember what the whole thing is, but I'll put a link to her Instagram so you can go check it out. Oh, we have some gems. Oh, don't open those upside down. Let's get ready to open those upside down. Oh, cute. Little roses. Oh, those look like water driplets. Oh, adorable. So if you order from Glamerliz, remember, you are going to wait because she makes these one by one by hand. So they're not a machine that's all cranking it out. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Oh, look at the ring. So pretty. Oh, it's so light. So light. Glamerliz. And I ordered it in the color Beyonce because it's kind of like a caramel. Look how realistic that is. They are hand painted. She sprays them, you know, does a airbrush. Oh, that is so pretty. And see, this hand is like the size of my hand. It's younger looking, but it's definitely more the size of my hands. I have tiny hands and tiny nails, so that's another reason I wanted to get this. I could have gone a shade lighter, but whenever you're taking pictures and you have all that light on there, it really lightens it up. But I think this said it was caramel, but I think it's Beyonce. Beautiful. Oh, it's so light. And see, the finger wells are really tight. Right. Oh, there. Really shoved up in there. So nice. Oh my gosh, and the stuff just keeps going. And look, she sent me another finger. Love it. Oh, another finger, oh, that is painted. Perfect. And it's smaller than, well, see, I use this to flip off my family. Since it's not really doing it, it just kind of, but that goes right. That will go on a stand. Ah, love it. So more tips, practice tips that fit the finger. And some more, I just ordered more tips. Oh, some more glitter. Ooh, pretty. Oh, some blue powder. Gorgeous. And more practice tips. And that's it. All right, so I got this beautiful hand. Oh, that is going to be so nice. And a finger. I always wanted an extra finger. Oh, so funny. And then all the extras. I ordered tips. I did order some extra tips. Like, she sent me so many extras. And just tons of extra stuff. I have to do a little Instagram video. Just so much. So thank you, Liz, for adding in all the extras and the finger, and that was so sweet. And an extra finger. I mean, thank you so much. And here is all of her information. I'll link her channel down below. Wow, I am so impressed. I am so impressed. I remembered when I got just Freaky Fran here that she sent a bunch of little extras that I was so grateful for. And again, I love it all, Liz. Thank you so much for all the extras. And again, I know people give her a hard time because it takes so long. I didn't care. I knew that it was going to take a long time, that it was going to be 3 or 4 months, and I was fine with that. So if you do order from her, just know up front, it's going to take a while because she's going to have to hand make these, each hand she makes. She doesn't just buy them from Amazon or wherever and kind of spray paint them or fix them up and, you know, double the price and then send it to you. They are just beautiful, realistic looking hands. So pretty. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. Absolutely go check her out because today there is a huge sale going. I don't know if it's for the weekend or what, but anyway, Black Friday for sure, big sale.